Two delegates, I'd like to remind you. I wear a suit to the beach every time I go.
Okay, you're looking good.
A couple of tweets for you. One, pundits and talking heads not giving him enough credit for the great win last night. That's one. But more to the point here, what we're talking about.
Wait, hold on a second. Hold on. Can we all look at that camera real quick? Say hi, Donald. Hey, Donald, how you doing? Good to see you.
I'm sorry. Almost like he's watching.
Go ahead. It's almost like he's watching.
So here's the tweet from the president. If the Democrats think they're going to waste taxpayer money in investigating us at the House level, then we will likewise be forced to consider investigating them for all the leaks of classified information and much else at the Senate level. Two can play that game.
Okay, and by the way,
yes.
But hold on.
There's an echo chamber.
Here is the news. Here is the news. Two are playing at that game.
Not one.
Not one anymore. This is not a one-party system anymore. The system works. Madison's system of checks and balances worked, Donnie Deutsch. And I've got to say something else works. Didn't give them enough credit. But I will tell you what, the Democrats in the House helped put together and support some pretty extraordinary candidates that knew how to win Republican districts. They are big winners. And you can say the same thing about Republicans in the Senate, except for the fact that the map was tilted so far in their direction, just like it's going to be in the Democrats' direction next time. But let's tip our hat to the Democrats in the House. They put together great candidates and a great message, and actually got, I will say it again for people that just tuned in, a higher percentage of the vote in 2018 than the Tea Party did in 2010. Thanks for checking out MSNBC on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the day's biggest stories. And you can click on any of the videos around us to watch more from Morning Joe and MSNBC. Thanks so much for watching.